Playing with using Google Forms for taking attendance. So I think it might work. It's just one question. So the one question is, I am here. And they check that if they are here. There's no other options and it's required. If you look at the settings, this is set up to collect their email addresses. So they have to be logged in as themselves. It's set up to also always send a receipt. And so they know what time they hit the button because they get an email as to when they sort of logged in or stated that they were here. Restricted to OUSD, not limited to one response. So they can do multiple responses. One sort of bummer is they can kind of click it multiple times during a period, but it doesn't really help them. Hopefully training them out of that would work. They cannot edit after submit. And so once it's submitted forever. So all of those settings mean that it looks like this to a student. So the student just clicks here and then submit. So they're actively saying they're here. They get an email that looks like this that says, hey, you said you were here. And then the next day, they click it again, click submit another response. And then they click it again on the next day, right? So if we go in and look at the responses on this form, so I can click responses, and you see it's just me clicking it so far, but there's 5 of them. But I can pull up the spreadsheet. Now, these all happened today, but theoretically, these would be many different email addresses from many students and many different timestamps. And so you can separate these out by day and see, who clicked and when they clicked. I think it might work.